Hi guys, Szenan-Balance from AcuTCM School. Today I'm going to show you just 4 points to instant reduce blood pressure. Here you go. This is called JueYinShaoYang. On a new Balance Method Acupuncture, you need to figure out the structure first, and then the needle that on the yang side, that on the inside. PC6, pericardium 6, and the opposite side here, level 2. And then on that side, Sanjiao 5. On the opposite side here, GB41. Remember, 2 key points important to get it works. Yang side needle here, inside needle here, according to the structure diagnosis. Then the next thing is needling technique. You need to either twitch the needles or stimulate needles to get touchy sensation. To get to what level of touchy sensation, how do you actually do it? If you're not quite sure how to do it, if you're not quite sure how to make the diagnosis, come and join my workshop the end of this month.